Olona munini wa President na yundongo ya DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni wathingilila kana nimekwendea vyo na kithito cha Kutetea Kenya na Kukomboa Nthi ya Kenya kumana na Mutongoi muthuku. Aineena na ndikima Mauvoo Niwatula Muti Muvia wa Useseei Ayasya ta utumia maofisa ma polisi nai kwa Kumalasimithy'a kuthukuma kwa vakuvi na mbulili uvathukanu na mia ya Kuya kavindani kauwa ikulia ende Nthi maendeye kuikala na ngwatanio na umwe taters amakawe na Mauvoo.
Ngoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Easya Mayisa Kunoa kana Kuthooew'a Kithitoni cha Kutetea Akenya na Kukomboa Nthi ya Kenya.
Hatutishwi, hatuwezi uziwa uoga, haiwezekani, lazima tukomboe nchi yetu. And we want to ask the people of Kenya to be resolute. We want to ask the people of Kenya to be firm. We want to ask the people of Kenya to have courage and fight for the liberation of this country and for restoration of democracy and the rule of law that has been suspended by William Ruto.
Gachagua Aineena na Nyumba cia Mauvoo Kuya Nakuru Ingi Niwatula Muti Muvia wa Useseei Ayasya Niuendee na Kunyamaasya maofisa ma polisi kwa maundu meki vathukani wiwa Kumalasimithy'a kuthukuma na mbulili uvathukanu na kithito cha wiyana nicho mekwenda ene Nthi mavindwa utongoi wa Kenya usakuanine tuendete.
The police officers in the country are very unhappy that they are being forced to work with goons against their oath of office. Police officers are unhappy that against their training, against their oath of office, they are being told to kill Kenyans and to harm them. Police officers are very unhappy that they are being told to destroy property. Police officers are very unhappy they are being forced to work with the goons and carry them in their cars and give them protection as they create mayhem in the country. Again, police officers are payslip holders. Their payslips have been raided. They are very unhappy. Their insurance scheme that was working has been suspended. They have been sent to SHA that is not working. Police officers are very unhappy. They were promised a salary increment. They were only given 570 shillings, which is a mockery. Police officers are very unhappy that they are being forced to buy their own uniform. Police officers are very unhappy that they have no equipment. Modern guns are being given to RSF in Sudan instead of being given to our police officers. Officers lack fuel, they lack vehicles, they have to board matatus. They are very demoralized lot. And that is why 95% of the National Police Service is saying one term.
And by the way, about 150 meters from where we were attacked, there was a police land cruiser that was there. But the police had very strict instructions from the county commander, Mr. Samuel Boyd, not to interfere with the activities of the goons. Sad that the topmost command of the National Police Service in Nakuru County would actually give such an order, because it is the work of the police to protect lives and property. We've been told that they were working in cahoot again with the officer commanding station, the OCS for Central Police Station.
Kabindani kau Gachagua ni wamakulia ene Nthi maendee kuikala na ngwatanio na umwe.
We want to call for peaceful coexistence among communities. Don't agree to be set against each other. This is your home, you have no other home. And I want to ask all communities to coexist, live peacefully, do business together, intermarry, and continue to work on your cohesion as a people.
Ndivyo vote abilingo Mauvoo ni tawataitas makau.